Hey everybody, it's Debbie, and you're at Your Home, Your Happy Place, and thanks for joining me today. Okay, you only got one video last week, and there's not going to be a decorating video this week. You can see it's dark outside. It's probably almost 10 o'clock. I have company coming in about an hour, and they're not leaving until Sunday. And so what's been going on? Why couldn't I get a video to you? Well, first of all, I just got home from the movies. It was the opening night of Jurassic Park, the Rebirth, and I went with my daughter, and I was screaming. I can't help it. I'm telling you what. She said, Mom, you're going to get us kicked out, but I don't know how you don't scream when things startle you that are like scary. And I can just remember in my life certain movies, and it's really crazy that like I think Home Alone, the very first movie, was one of those that was kind of epic to us. And not gonna mention one that was epic to me because I would never watch it again. But one of the previews they did was Jaws, the original Jaws. It's 50 years old. I can't even believe that because I saw it in the movies, you guys. We're sitting there figuring out. I was like, I guess I was 17. Oh my gosh. Um, I thought that was a scary movie, very scary movie. And it's going to be relaunched, original, in theaters again, at least where we live, August 29th. And I kind of want to go back and see it. So I like to have a little scare. I will never go to a horror movie. No, 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 no. And I don't go to the devil movies, and I don't want to see gore. Like I've never seen any of those, I don't know, the ones that come out at Halloween. I never, ever. But something about animals like Jaws or Jurassic Park, yeah. So anyway, I'll just tell you, the very first movie of Jurassic Park was super memorable and really good in my mind. I don't know how long ago that was. And the next ones, they were just okay. This one was like going to the first one again. Anyway, okay, so enough about that. Okay, so what else? Family's coming. Yeah, 4th of July. Happy 4th, everybody. I hope you have a safe 4th. And gosh, we had a horrible storm. My daughters had a tree break down in the front of their house. They just had somebody come in and spent the whole day cutting it apart. It was a big tree. Okay, so here's what's coming up. I am going to come back next week. I'm definitely going to be able to give you 2 videos next week, maybe 3. Because I don't have anything pressing. However, there's something coming up and I need your help. So if you've been with me for a while, you remember in January, I believe I had a photo shoot for a magazine, and they called me back. They do want to do the summer version. And I talked to her about, what they told me. They thought it was a joke about me cooking. And she goes, yeah, I was not super excited about how that all went down. She goes, you need to go on Instagram. There were a lot more pictures there. So I never actually knew that. So I'm going to have to go in there and see what that was. But she wants to do a brunch for my family. And it's going to be in a couple weeks. And so I need some easy to prepare, but visually very gorgeous recipe ideas, and maybe even serving ideas. But just remember, it can't be really laborious. I won't have time for that. The photo shoot's going to start at like 9 a.m. And I could use your help. So if you want to be featured on my video, I will shout you out if I use your recipe. And it doesn't have to be yours. If you find one on Pinterest or something, let's just make sure we are telling whose it was, and I'll shout out both people. But I'm going to be doing it on our deck. When we entertain, we push our 2 big tables together. And what I'm going to do for sure is the same tablescape I gave you last week. It's going to be very similar because I bought that same cabana stripe blue and white table runner. I bought 2 of those for my outdoor tables. And I'm going to put, so I'm going to try and make it very coastal, just like what's going on in the house. And the magazine will not come out until next year in the spring, or maybe even early summer. So, but the shoot is going to take place in a couple weeks. So I really would love your input on that. And I think that's it. I know that July 8th is a beginning of an Amazon Prime deals, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And I was on my storefront, which you get to, I always have the link at the top of my, under my videos. That's the first thing. It always has the link to my store. But if you don't know how to do that, it is amazon.com/shop/yourhomeyourhappyplace. And you come to my page and you click on each of the stores. And I try to put them up in a way that you're getting like what's current, like the summer stuff. But what I saw today is they said, what I have in my stores that's trending right now, and I guess on sale. So Amazon's going in my stores and putting on the top some little feature things for you. So I just encourage you to shop. I'm not going to have any more time to add any more things, I'm sure. But I do have a lot of great stuff in there, and they're having lightning and flash deals and things. So if you start out in my shop, and you stay on that same, that same entry place, wherever you go from there, I will actually make most likely a small commission, which always is helpful, especially this time of year when I'm not getting out as many videos, and I really appreciate it. Okay. Oh, I do have something else. Hold that. So I used to have links for these things before. I guess I did all of this. Let's see if there's a date. 2021. I was very busy on publishing arm of Amazon. And so I made a coloring book that I say is ages 2 to 5. This one, it's called World Under the Sea. And it does have a little scripture in it. And it's really big fish, only one side, so that if they use markers or something and it goes through. Okay, so there's that one. And so I will try to remember to put a link for that. But if you don't, I don't know if it'll come up in a search. It's called World Under the Sea coloring book. I don't know if it will or not. And then the other thing is, and it's a really weird time of year to try and bring this out, but this is not dated. See how fat that is? It's very good. It's Live Life Happy. It's a planner. And it starts, let's see, it will start with a monthly area and a weekly. And then, sorry, the next page. Oh, so I guess there's prayers, scripture, journal on this side. Then the next page is this month, I hope to, books to read, great expectations and remembrances. That's something where I would put birthdays, anniversaries, or something special that's coming up. Then notes, a whole page of notes, and then your weekly planner goes right here. And that's 1 week. And then the next week has the prayer scripture journal and the weekly planner, and prayer scripture journal and the weekly planner. So that's how it goes. And there it is. And it's a pretty big one. And it's not dated, so you can use it. You could start using it right now. So I'm just going to put those out there. They're just something that I've always got ideas of doing things, and I love doing that kind of stuff. I love Canva, and I'm sure I created it in Canva. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time at Your Home, Your Happy Place. Have a happy 4th.